you ever dreamed of becoming a millionaire? Picture it. A life where financial freedom is not just an aspiration, but a reality. Where every sunrise brings with it the promise of luxury and the opportunity to shape the world in ways only a select few can. This isn't just a dream, but a journey. A journey that carries with it the potential for unbridled wealth, unparalleled experiences, and the power to build relationships that could last a lifetime. From the skyscraper-lined streets of Manhattan to the sun-kissed beaches of the Maldives, the millionaire lifestyle is as diverse as it is enticing. But let's not forget, every empire, every fortune starts from somewhere. It is often the most humble beginnings that breed the most extraordinary success stories. The world's wealthiest individuals, they started where you are, armed with nothing more than a dream and the will to achieve it. Many successful millionaires started their journey right where you are. So, what's stopping you? Every great journey starts with a single step. And it's no different for our successful individual. Picture this, a young, ambitious soul with dreams bigger than the city they were born in. This person had nothing but a vision, a burning desire to make something of themselves. Their beginnings were humble, to say the least. They didn't have a silver spoon, no trust fund to fall back on, not even a safety net of a well-paying job. All they had was a dream and an insurmountable will to achieve it. They endured the struggles that came with being a self-starter. The long nights, the early mornings, the countless rejections. They faced financial hardships, often unsure of where their next meal would come from. But did they let these hurdles deter them? No, they wore their adversities like badges of honor, reminders of their resilience. They had their fair share of failures too. Oh yes, they stumbled, they fell, but they never stayed down. They understood that failure was not the opposite of success, but a part of it. They embraced their failures, learned from them, and used them as stepping stones towards their dream. But what set them apart was their determination. They were relentless. They had a goal, and they were ready to move mountains to achieve it. They understood that the road to success was not a smooth highway, but a rocky path filled with obstacles. Yet, they were undeterred. They knew that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and they were ready to take that step again and again, no matter how many times they were knocked down. They learned valuable lessons from their humble beginnings. They learned the value of hard work, the importance of perseverance, and the power of a dream. They discovered that success is not a destination, but a journey. A journey filled with ups and downs, successes and failures, joys and sorrows. Success is not an accident. It's a result of hard work, perseverance, learning, and most of all, love for what you're doing. This is the mantra that guided them through their journey, from their humble beginnings to their triumphant success. And it can guide you too. Life is full of turning points, and our millionaire was no exception. In every story of success, there comes a moment of truth, a turning point that changes the course of the narrative. Our protagonist's story was about to take a dramatic turn. It wasn't a stroke of luck or a gift of fate. It was a decisive moment born out of a keen eye for opportunity and a daring spirit. In the world of wealth creation, opportunities don't just fall into your lap. You have to hunt them down, chase them, and when you find them, seize them with both hands. Our millionaire understood this. They knew that to change their life, they had to take risks, make decisions that felt like leaps of faith. They had to step out of their comfort zone, challenge the status quo, and embrace uncertainty. The turning point in our millionaire's journey wasn't a sudden windfall or a lucky break. It was a calculated risk, an opportunity they created for themselves. They saw a gap in the market, a need that wasn't being met, and they decided to fill it. It was a decision that required courage, but it was also a decision based on meticulous research and a deep understanding of their industry. But it was more than just a business decision. It was a turning point in their personal life too. It was a commitment to their dream, a declaration of their ambition. It was a moment of self-realization where they acknowledged their potential and made a conscious decision to pursue greatness. And so, the turning point wasn't just about making a smart business move. It was about embracing a new mindset, a new way of thinking. It was about recognizing that they had the power to shape their own destiny, to create their own opportunities. In the end, our millionaire's turning point was a testament to their resilience, their determination, and their unwavering belief in themselves. It was a moment that defined their journey, a moment that propelled them from humble beginnings to the heights of success. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. how they turned their vision into a reality, and how they built an empire from the ground up. The road to success was not straight or smooth. It was a winding path, strewn with obstacles and challenges. But with each setback, they learned, they grew, they became stronger. Their failures were not the end, but stepping stones that led them closer to their goals. They built their wealth, not overnight, but steadily, consistently. They invested in opportunities that others overlooked. They turned risks into rewards. Their strategies were not grounded in quick wins, but in long-term growth. They understood that true wealth is not just about accumulating money, but about creating value. Their values were their compass, guiding them through the stormy seas of business. Integrity, respect, and commitment were not just words to them, but principles they lived by. They treated their employees with fairness, their clients with respect, and their competitors with grace. They understood that reputation is the cornerstone of any successful business. Their vision was their North Star, illuminating their path in the darkest of nights. They did not let temporary setbacks cloud their long-term view. They remained committed to their vision even when the odds were stacked against them. They believed in their dream even when no one else did. Their journey was marked by consistency and dedication. They showed up day after day, year after year. They worked tirelessly, not because they had to, but because they wanted to. They knew that success is not achieved in a day, but over time they understood that the road to success is paved with persistence. The road to success is not for the faint of heart. It demands courage, resilience, and an unwavering belief in oneself. But for those brave enough to embark on this journey, the rewards are worth every struggle, every sacrifice. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it, and they were too busy building an empire, too busy creating a legacy, too busy living their dream. And that, my friends, is the true essence of success. From humble beginnings to the life of a millionaire, our protagonist shows us that nothing is impossible. Let's take a look at the present life of our millionaire. A life that is not just about the opulence and luxury that money can buy, but about the satisfaction and pride derived from a journey well-traveled. A journey that started from the bottom, navigated through waves of challenges, and culminated in success. Our protagonist, now a successful millionaire, is a testament to the fruits of hard work, perseverance, and resilience. The once distant dream of financial freedom is now a lived reality. With every sunrise, they wake up to a world of possibilities, a world where they are no longer bound by financial constraints, but empowered by the wealth they have amassed. But it isn't just about the fast cars, the sprawling mansions, or the exotic vacations. It's about the impact they've made, the jobs they've created, the lives they've changed, and the opportunities they've opened up for others. It's about the legacy they are building, one that will stand the test of time and inspire generations to come. Our millionaire's life is a masterpiece, painted with the vibrant colors of their experiences, triumphs, and failures. Their story is a beacon, illuminating the path for others who dare to dream, who dare to strive, who dare to rise. It's a life filled with satisfaction, not just from the wealth accumulated, but from the realization of their potential, the overcoming of obstacles, and the fulfillment of their dreams. It's a life that echoes the sentiment, I did it, I made it, I am here. Our millionaire's life is a testament to their character, their strength, and their spirit. It's a testament to the power of dreams, the potency of determination, and the magic of resilience. Being a millionaire is not just about the money, it's about the journey, the lessons, and the person you become along the way. Their story is a powerful reminder that success is not just about the destination, but the journey that leads us there. Now, it's your turn. This is the moment when you take control. It's the moment when you decide to be the architect of your own destiny, to build your empire of wealth and success. You see, becoming a millionaire isn't just about the money, it's about the journey, it's about the lessons learned, the relationships built, and the legacy you leave behind. It's about standing at the foot of your dreams, looking up and deciding to climb. It's about taking that first step and then the next and the one after that. It's about perseverance and commitment, about not letting set a humble